As everybody else shares their surroundings, I thought I would share mine. We're still in the middle of winter. This is right outside Detroit, Michigan. And this is where the geese are usually nesting. I am taking my dog for a walk, so we're going to go back and forth. There he is. He's real cute. And he also does not obey because he's trying to go somewhere I don't want him to go. Keith, come here. Come on. So anyway, there's a freeway along here. That's the freeway fence. But usually, by this time of the year, we have a bunch of robins and orioles and all other blue jays, interesting birds, nesting and just hanging out. But because the snow won't go away and the cold won't go away, we don't have that this year. So the geese are late, the ducks are late. Haven't seen an oriole at all. The robins just came back. And pretty much, oh, I just saw a blue jay. Okay. So everything's just a few weeks late. Anyway, so this is where I live. Doesn't look like Detroit, does it? Bye.